Hey there. So let's learn another important concept in the Git, which is squashing the commits. Okay. So squashing the commit means simply combining multiple commits into a single commit. Okay. Don't confuse it with, combining the branches. Earlier we learned about merging and rebasing. Okay. So there we were, combining the branches, commits in the, you know, different branches. We were bringing all those commits to a single branch, but here we are talking about combining commits into a single commit. Okay, so what do we mean by that? Let's see here. Okay, so suppose we have this commit history. Okay, we have this commit history, and this commit message is something like change one, change 1, change 2, change 3, like this. Okay, and I don't like these commit messages because these commit messages doesn't make any sense to me. So I want to clean this commit history. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want to combine all the changes. Let me take another color. So I want to combine all these commits into a into this commit. Okay, so what will happen, we'll take changes from all these three commits and we'll merge those changes into this commit. Okay, so after that what will happen, we'll only have these commits left in the branch. Okay, these three commits will be gone and only this will remain. Okay, but the changes in these three commits will be part of this commit. Okay, that's what we are going to do. Okay, that's what means squashing the commits. Okay, so let's see that in action. Okay, let's go to the code, and what I'm going to do, let's create another file, squash.md. okay, and now here in this file I'm going to add multiple commits. So I'll add this change one and I'll commit it. Let's commit from here, commit one, let's commit, and change 2, again let's commit this also. I'll name it commit 2. Let's add change 3, save it, and let's commit that also, commit 3. Commit 5. All right, so now we have added 5 commits. Okay, we have added 5 commits, and if you check the git log, let me move it up, git log, one line we can use. Okay, so here we can see we have these 5 commits added. Now I don't like these 5 commits. What I want to do, I want to combine all these commits. Okay, so what I can do, we'll again use the interactive rebase. Okay, the same concept we have learned earlier during modifying a specific commit. Okay, so during that, in that videos tutorial, we learned about how to modify specific commit. There we learned about interactive rebase. So we are again going to use the interactive rebase. Okay, and we will squash all these commits. Okay, so interactive rebase is very important concept in the Git, and it allows you to do a lot of other things. So yeah, pay attention here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll take this commit. Okay, and we can count. We will use the head, and again we are going to count from here, like 1 2 3 4 5, and we'll take the pointer from head to the 5th. Okay, so that we'll have all these 5 commits with us to play around. Okay, so let's do that. So we can do rebase, interactive, and then head, and let's go to 5th point. Okay, now after coming here, you can see we have this pick on with each commit. Okay, so earlier what we did, we changed this pick to edit to make changes to the particular commit. Now what we are going to do, we are going to squash. So for squash, what we have to do, we have to change pick to squash. Okay, so we can change multiple pick to squash, and all those changes will be merged into a single commit. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to I'm going to see commit history is like this: commit 1, commit 2, commit 3, commit 4, commit 5. I want to merge, I want to squash all these commits 5, 4, 3, 2 into this commit. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, if you pick these two to squash, it will get squashed into this commit. If you pick these two, it will get squashed to this. Okay, so similarly, I mean, whatever commits you pick to squash, it will get squashed to the just above one. Okay, so let's change. Okay, let's change these to squash. Okay, so you have to change it to squash. Now, I mean, you can use a shortcut also. You can simply put s instead of the full word. So I'm going to use that only. And then what you have to do, you have to simply save and exit. Okay, after that you will have this history of commit combining into one commit. Okay, what will happen here, that single commit will contain the history of all those 5 commits. Here it will have those messages like this commit, this is commit message 2, sorry 5, and this is 4, this is 3, this is 2. And if you want, you can change these. Okay, you can remove these messages. If you want, you can provide a single commit message, and or if you want, you can keep it like this. Okay, so I'm going to keep it like this. I'm simply going to escape and save and quit. Okay, so now you can see all those commits are combined into a single commit. Now if you'll check the git log, okay, git log, you can see we only have this one commit left. Okay, but we have all those 5 commits changes here. Now if you check this git log in full expanded mode, let's see. See, this commit message is like this: commit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. So it has the message from all 5 commits. Okay, if you want, you can again change this commit message. Okay, so that's how git squash works. Okay, I think yeah, that's all. And if you want to push your changes, you know how to push it. You can simply push all the changes to the upstream, but now note that you'll have to force push it because you have changed the commit history, and upstream has different commit history, so it will complain. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to force push it. Okay,